Aspiring candidates looking to build a career in nursing, pharmacy, or paramedical sciences should take note of the Combined Paramedical, Pharmacy and Nursing Entrance Test, commonly known as CPNET 25. This entrance examination is conducted by the Uttar Pradesh University of Medical Sciences, SciFi, and serves as a gateway to various undergraduate and diploma courses in the healthcare sector. The application process for CPNET 25 commenced on June 12 and concluded on June 30, 25. A correction window was available from July 1st to July 2 for candidates who needed to make changes to their submitted information. Admit cards for the examination were officially released on July 8, 25. The exam is scheduled to be conducted on July 10, 25. Following the examination, the tentative release date for the answer key and the result is July 14, 25. The merit list is expected to be released on July 18th, and the counseling registration process will be open from July 18 to July 22, with the tentative date for counseling set as July 24, 25. Candidates must meet specific eligibility criteria to appear for CPNET 25. They must be Indian citizens. Preference is given to those holding a domicile certificate of Uttar Pradesh. Although candidates who have completed their 10 plus 2 or equivalent examination from an institution located in Uttar Pradesh may also be considered eligible without a separate domicile certificate. The minimum age required is 17 years as of December 31, 2025. For the general nursing and midwifery course, the maximum permissible age is 35 years. For the auxiliary nurse midwifery course, which is open only to female candidates, the maximum age is 30 years as of December 31, 2025. Educationally, candidates must have passed the 10 plus 2 or equivalent examination from a recognized board with mandatory subjects including physics, chemistry, biology or mathematics, and English. A minimum of 45% aggregate marks is required for general category candidates, while scheduled caste and scheduled tribe candidates must have at least 40%. Candidates from state open schools recognized by the state government and those from the National Institute of Open Schooling recognized by the central government are also eligible, preferably with science subjects. Furthermore, all applicants must be medically and physically fit to qualify. The admit card is a mandatory document for entry into the examination hall. Candidates who have successfully applied can download their admit card by visiting the official website of the Uttar Pradesh University of Medical Sciences at www.upapumstektin. On the homepage, they should locate the link titled CPNET 2025 Admit Card, which may be found under the Admissions or Latest News section. After clicking the link, candidates will be redirected to a login page where they must enter their user ID and password received during the application process. Upon successful login, the admit card will be displayed on the screen. Candidates are advised to carefully verify all details mentioned, including their name, roll number, photograph, signature, exam date and time, examination center address, reporting time, and important instructions for the day of the exam. Once confirmed, the admit card should be downloaded and printed in clear color format. It is strongly recommended to carry multiple printed copies. Candidates must remember that digital copies of the admit card on mobile phones or tablets will not be accepted under any circumstances. Along with the printed admit card, candidates must also bring a valid government-issued photo identification proof such as an Aadhaar card, a PAN card, voter ID or passport in original and a photocopy. Timely arrival at the examination center is essential to avoid any last-minute inconvenience. With the exam date approaching, candidates are advised to stay focused on their preparation, follow all guidelines carefully, and regularly visit the official website www.upapumstektin for updates and announcements related to CPNET 2025.